Hi, it's Bo. Welcome to my gardening channel, and today is my birthday. And I received in the mail, I believe I ordered these sometime in the summer, a shipment from Heirloom Roses. So roses can come bare root or containerized. I think these are containerized because the package is pretty heavy. So I've not ordered from Heirloom Roses before, and I wanted some roses, kind of nice, pretty pink shrub roses to mix in with my cottage border. So these are a musk rose called Ballerina. It's a Rosa Ballerina, if you want to look it up. I'll put the details in the description. And kind of show you how they're sitting down in this tall narrow box, and there they are. Okay. I wonder if there's a more gentle way to do this, like to just break open the side. I'm just going to try to pull them up out of here. Here is one. So, wrapped in plastic. It's really quite clever. They've zip tied it at the top so that the dirt doesn't spill out. These are nice sized plants. And they're not totally dormant, as you wouldn't expect roses to be in this climate. Can't remember, they were shipped from Oregon, so West Coast. Oregon has a huge nursery industry. Oh, so it says that they intentionally remove the leaves off of the roses for shipping. And fall is the perfect time to ensure your roses have a head start on getting established before spring. I do agree. Do not keep roses indoors. Funny. It says, warning, your rose requires fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the blooming season. It's funny that it's a warning. Okay, talks a bit about fertilizer. It says, do not use granular or water-soluble fertilizer during the first year, as this may burn the roots and void your warranty. I didn't even know I had a warranty. That's interesting. We suggest using only Heirloom Roses Founders Fish Fertilizer, an organic and safe alternative. Do not use a bag potting soil that contains fertilizers or states slow release, self-feeding, etc. in any way. Do not fertilize dormant roses. So these are, I'm pretty interested to see what their tips are. My practice is only to fertilize roses during the growing season. I did provide some fertilizer for my roses, and it was a mix of, I have a video for that, and it's a mix of rose food, organic, alfalfa, and here comes the cat, of course, and worm castings. So, my roses definitely didn't burn. So we're looking for kind of a more natural, gentle source of fertilizer, I would say. Nothing really intense and really high soluble nitrogen. Okay, cool. In this insert, they also provide some instructions here for what to do. And again, there's this warning about not using any granular fertilizer the first year. So that seems like it's quite important. I had not read that anywhere else before. So it's kind of neat. It's like a little instructional how-to. So first it says to pick the location and all of this. I have some videos where I plant roses, so, or bare root rose at least, so you guys can look at that. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that I'm taking some of the scary stuff out of ordering plants. It really is the most fun thing to get in the mail. Although going to a nursery is great too. But if you have your heart set on particular varieties, it can be really great to support some of the mail order nurseries. So really excited for these. I'm gonna plant them probably later today or tomorrow, and they'll provide me with some nice pretty pink roses in the spring. Thanks again for joining me. If you like this content, please like or subscribe. If you have questions about how these roses are going, anything about how to plant or care for roses, please put it in the comment section. I would love to respond. Bye-bye.